to my channel. So for today's video is a very challenging video. So I'll be making the Barbie makeup challenge. So yun, bibigyan ko rin kayo ng tutorial bukod dun sa transformation ng TikTok. So if you wanna know how I got this for looks, just keep on watching.
Okay guys, so here are the 4 looks we're going to do on this video. So if you want to know how to get each one of this look, just continue watching. So, there are things you need to consider in doing this challenge. Una sa lahat, dapat ready na lahat ng mga makeups and yung mga gagamitin mo on the video. Next is, you might need an assistant so they can press pause and play for you so that nakita rin nila if nagpa-play ba yung video, something like that. Background music. Yung music ng Barbie challenge, you need that to play on the background while doing the video. Next, don't record it directly on TikTok kasi sayang naman kung may mga mali tapos hindi nyo na siya mauulit. And then one of the most important thing is your energy. You have to have the same energy from start to finish. So you have to enjoy what you're doing on the entire video. So that hindi bumababa yung energy mo kasi mahahalata ito sa video. Press pause or stop on every transition. You should do 2 transition move on each clip. So, 2 transition move yung kailangan mong gawin kada record mo so that maging smooth yung transition somehow. So, guys, it will go this way. Yung last transition move mo sa last clip will be your first transition move on your next clip. And then, do your next transition move and then so on and so forth. I hope I make any sense. You can edit it on another editing apps before uploading it to TikTok so that mas makapag-add pa kayo ng mga gusto nyong effects on the video and also mas smooth yung magiging cutting ng editing ninyo. But if you guys have your own technique on doing this challenge, feel free to share it on the comments below. And also, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Enjoy watching, guys. Thank you! After that first transition, ilalagay niyo na yung foundation nyo. So guys, you see what I did there? I made the 2 transition on one clip. So I just blend the foundation after that. Okay guys, so one thing you need to avoid on this process, you need to choose concealers that is not fast drying so that di kayo magaya sa akin yan. Hirap na hirap ako mag-blend that time. And also, I already brushed up my brows na din using brow soap. So next, I'm just going to bake my face. I'm not usually doing this, but for the sake of this video, I did. So dusting away that powder with that brush. Next is contour and bronzer. It's not really showing up on the camera, but yeah. And next is blush. I also contoured my nose here. did my brows. I'll be putting all the products I used in this video on the description box, so kindly check it out. So as I always say on my videos, I'll be having a brow tutorial on my channel when I reach 300 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe. So I already changed my outfit and now I'll be doing the eyeshadow. We are now doing the Barbie look. So here I'm using a baby pink as a transition shade, and I use a darker pink, almost a magenta pink, on the middle part of my crease, and then flicking it a little bit on the outer corners, and then cutting my crease with a concealer. And then after that, I actually line it with a glitter liner, but it didn't record. So, naglalagay na lang muna ako ng blue eyeliner here. Just make your own creation of a Barbie look. Whatever you like. Be creative, guys. And then putting a mascara. Putting my lashes on. So, I put that almost magenta pink on my lower lash line. And then that baby pink, drag it a little bit on my cheeks, and then putting this glitter liner on the inner part of the eye or the lower lash line. Put the contact lenses as well. So yeah, we're almost done with this first look. I'm just putting my lip color. Here I put a nude color inside and then outlined it with pink eyeshadow, making an ombre effect. So next, yung my line, parang before operation look ito. It didn't record, so inulit ko ulit. So for the next look, I just blend these black lines and then put some little effects na parang blood and parang mga sugat-sugat. So here, I just used a red lip gloss, but you can use a fake blood on this part. So I already put the foundation on my previous clip, and here I'm putting the concealer already on the other half lang ng face. And then do the same thing on the other half of your face. So blend that concealer. Same concealer yung ginamit ko kanina na fast drying. So nahirapan uli ako mag-concealer. Mag-blend, I mean. So, bake ulit. So, after baking, yung bronzer and blush hindi na record. So, I already done that. And now, we're doing the eyeshadow. You can do any eyeshadow style you want. And by the way, guys, we are now doing the classic look and the last look for this video. So, here I did a halo eye makeup. or eyeshadow because this is my favorite style of doing my eyeshadow. So putting my lashes on. And then bold brows. So I just did the same thing on the other eye, and now I put my lashes and highlighted my inner corners and put lip color.
So there, finally natapos na natin tong video na to. And FYI lang guys, natapos namin to ng 5 hours. So for the sake of 1 minute video, natapos namin 5 hours yung look na to. By the way, I just want to thank sa nag-request nitong challenge na to, si Miss Mary Grace Chua. So yun, thank you para sa'yo to at para sa lahat ng mga subscribers ko. And yun, kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, feel free to like this video. And kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, press the subscribe button and that bell notification next to it so that updated ka sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko in the future. And if you want to suggest more videos sa mga susunod kong videos, feel free to comment it down below. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye!
What? Bakit kabila na agad? Hindi ko kabila. Oh, hindi pa nga yan eh. Ang gulo mo naman.
Sorry, nadadala kasi ako eh.
What?
Ayun na yun.
Dito ka lang mag-focus sa kabila.
Bantayan mo ako. Unless I say so.